Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about branding as a whole. Do I have a logo already? And probably I have a cover page. So now I want to show you how to use generative AI to design logo and all those things. So let's say content strategy for your field and all those things. So ensure your business knob logo is high resolution 400 by 400 pixel. Then create a banner. So now let's say we want to start with logo. So I want to design a logo for this business. For this business, give me an image FX prompt, text prompt to design this brand logo for me. This brand logo for me. So this for people that don't know how to design and you need to design a logo for the brand, or you took a brand project from the very onset. So I'm going to have this sent out and let's see what it brings. Do I have a logo? I'm just showing you how you can use generative AI to generate some of these things. So if you don't know Image FX is one of Google's tool. So I'm going to come to Image FX right here. So it comes with the actual plan. So I'm going to come use Image FX right away. So I'm going to click on Image FX, then back to the question we're asking. So this is an exciting step. Yes. So we have a prompt. We have different prompts. It gave different prompts. So let's test the first one. So let's see the result of the first one. So Image FX now needs to be launched. I'm going to try to launch Image FX, and this is our page. So before you continue writing your prompt, you need to do some presets, which is right here. So here in your presets, you have to do your aspect ratio, which should be square. So your aspect ratio should be square, and this is your input box. So let's go to the input box right now. So let's copy this. So I'm going to copy that right now. Then I'm going to paste it right here. So that's now, let's see the logo it creates for us. That's the first. So we're going to move to the second to see what the second have in stock for us. So I'm going to copy right now for the second, and here we have business knob. This does not look bad, so let's try another prompt. So I'm going to try another prompt right here, and let's see, we have four variations. So we're going to input the second, the third. So now this is the second prompt. So let's see, this is what the second one brought out. Not looking bad actually, but let's do the third and let's see what we have. So we have the third right now, then we have the fourth. So let's see what the fourth is like. So we have the third, no, is out of it. So these are ways you can create a logo. You can always refine your prompt to get a better prompt idea for your logo design. But that's beside the point. I have a logo now, so let me just make sure I create a LinkedIn cover page. So let me input my logo right here. So I'm going to upload the logo right away. So I'm going to upload right now, and here I'm going to click on upload files, and here in upload files I'm going to upload the site icon. Then I'm going to say I want to create, after you've gotten your logo or your site icon, so I'll say I want to create a cover page, a LinkedIn cover page. Specify a LinkedIn cover page for business now. Yes, for business now. So we have this. I want to create a LinkedIn cover page for business now. Follow the color code. Follow the color code. Okay. So let's see in the logo. So let's see what Gemini does for us in terms of the cover page. So we can input our cover page. So right here, what's our cover pages? So we have our logo, but you see here, we don't have a cover page just yet. So this is where we're going to add a cover page. So let's see what we have right now. So let's see what this is doing for us right now. So I'll come back here and I'm waiting for this to create our cover page. So we'll be able to have a cover page we can use on LinkedIn. So right now, Gemini is trying to create the cover page with Nano Banana. So let's see what we have right here. Look at what it did for us. No, I would say I want it to be landscape. I want it to be landscape and it should be a minimalist design. Minimalist design. So let's see this. So let's see what it does for us. So I want it to be landscape and it should be a minimalist design. So let's wait for that to manufacture or to produce the cover page we want to use. Do I have one already that I can use, but I want this to create a cover page for us we can use for LinkedIn. So right here we have it good. So this is very good. So I'm going to download this. So having to download that, let's come right here to say we want to upload our cover page. So I'm going to click on add cover page, and right here you could see you could add cover page, so we can upload our cover page. So right now I have what I created with Gemini. All I want to do now is to have it edited so that I can use it right here. What do I mean by have it edited? So that I can remove the Gemini logo from this. So I'm going to try to get the copy before I upload. So here we are. This is it right here. So I'm going to right click on this, then I'm going to try to edit it. So I'm going to try to edit it with photos so that we can work on the watermark. We can take out the watermark. So what I want to do now is to crop. So I'm going to crop out that part and bring in this part, of course. So we have crop, and that is it. So I'm going to save this right now. I'm going to save this right away, and coming back to our page. So let's come back to our page to upload our cover image. So I'm going to click on upload, then I'm going to click on downloads, then I'm going to click on the image I just did. So here we are. So I'm going to input this, and this is what we have right here. Business knob, optimizing your business. So like I said, I have, okay, so let's use the other one, the other image. Let's see how that is captured. So let's use this. So let's see how this is captured right now. So here we are. This is where captured actually. This is actually better. But then let's see one of the images I created, which is a cover page. Let's see how that works, which is this. So I'm going to come right here to make sure. So maybe I could use this. So let's download this and let's come back to LinkedIn to see if this can be used. This actually looks good. It's just the same method. I want to create a Facebook cover page, just the same method of creating cover pages. So I'm going to come right here to see that so I can choose in between. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to add my cover page. Then I'm going to upload the one I just downloaded. So I'm going to use this right now. And here we have it. So this too has gone beyond box. So let's say, let me just tell Gemini to fit this into the LinkedIn frame. So we can just go back to where we're coming from and say fit this design, fit this design into LinkedIn page cover frame, page cover frame. The details tend to be bigger than the framed than the LinkedIn cover frame. So let's do that. Let's see how it refines it. So we're going to have that refined so we can upload our cover page. And right here, this has gone overboard. But let's see what Gemini will do with recreating an image that can fit into linked LinkedIn cover page. So right here, we are waiting for that to be done. So we are using Gemini to create the LinkedIn, yes, cover page. So here we are. So you sure it's still of the same size, like make the text and logo make the text and logo smaller as it is centered. Okay, so let's do this. I think this would work. So once we make the text and logo look smaller, I think it should be able to fit into the business knob frame. So let's wait for Gemini to do its magic so we can use that on our page. So basically, this is how to optimize a page for a start. We are going to talk about creating content for businesses and brands. So let's see what it does. Yes, this is actually perfect. So I could click on download right now. So now we'll be able to use this because we made this smaller. But let's see what it looks like finally. So I'm going to have this downloaded right now, and I'm going to come back to my page, business note page. I'm going to come back to try to see how we can upload our cover page. So I'm downloading this already. This is smaller than the ones we downloaded earlier on. So I'm going to click on this camera icon, and I'm going to add cover page. I'm going to upload single photo. Then I'm going to come right here to open. So let's see what we have so far. This is very good. So this is our cover page right here, and here we have that. So we're going to apply this. So this is what we're going to use as a cover page. Now we've done the full setup for this profile business knob. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to talk more about how to go about marketing for your brands, for businesses, or for brands out there. So LinkedIn marketing is actually a whole thing, and we're going to learn how to do all that in this very course. So basically, I have my LinkedIn cover page and I'm trying to save it for your view. So right now we've done all that. We've created our page and everything looks good right now. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.